Class 5 Mathematics Chapter 3 How many squares? My dear students, in your previous classes you have learned about perimeter. Now in class 5 you will learn about area in this chapter. First of all, let us recall what we already know. Perimeter. What is perimeter? A perimeter refers to the total boundary of the two-dimensional shape. If we want to offer fencing around the whole field, we will need its perimeter. If we want to make boundary around our house, we will need perimeter. The units of the perimeter are centimeter, that is semi, meter, kilometer, etc. In this chapter you are going to learn about area. First of all, let us understand what is area. Area is a quantity that expresses the extent of a two-dimensional figure or shape in the plane. In mathematics, the unit square is defined to have area 1. We use square semi, square meter, square kilometer as a unit of area. If we want to cover our flooring with tiles, we will need to find out area. If we want to make the fence around our house, then we will need to find out perimeter. Here you can understand the concept of perimeter and area through the simple diagram. Perimeter is the measurement around or outside of a shape. If we want to make boundary fencing of the field, we need to find out perimeter. And area, which is measurement of space inside a shape. Here green color space, measurement of space inside a shape is area. Now what are the formulas to find out area and perimeter? If we want to find out perimeter, we need to add the length of all the sides of shape. Here square is given. So perimeter of a square equals to side plus side plus side plus side. Here the length of one side is 4 units. So perimeter will be 16 units. You can see brown colored boundary, that is perimeter. Area, measurement of a 2D space inside of an object. Here one rectangle is given and length and width is also given. Length is 4 units and width is 3 units. If we want to find out the area of square or rectangle, we need to multiply length into width. 4 units into 3 units, that is 12 units. 12 square units. Here if the measurement is given in semi, we will write square semi. If measurement is given in meter, then we will write square meter. In this chapter, we will simply learn how to find out area by counting the squares given in the shape. If you simply want to find the area, count the squares given in the green rectangle. That will be the area of the given shape. Here 12 square shape are there. So area of this shape will be 12 square units. Chapter 3, how many squares? The basic idea of this chapter is the length of a boundary of a figure is called the perimeter of a figure. This is the definition of perimeter. How to find a perimeter? Perimeter of a rectangle equals to 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a triangle equals to sum of the lengths of all three sides. As I told you, if we want to find out the perimeter of any figure, we just need to add the measurement of all the sides and we will get perimeter of that figure. Now, in this chapter we are going to learn about area. What is area? The measurement of the total surface of a figure is called as area. The unit of measurement of area is always found in squares. In perimeter we use linear units, semi, meter, etc. For area we use square semi, square meter, square kilometer. You can write like this also, semi, then square, meter, square, kilometer, square. We read it as square semi, square meter and square kilometer. Question 1 we are not going to solve. Question 2. Find the area of the following regions in terms of square units by counting number of squares. When we don't know which unit is used to measure, we just write square units. We don't know whether it is 1 semi or not. So we will write unit as a square unit. We will write short form of square SQ. That is the short form of square. If we want to find out the area of the following figure, just count the number of squares 1, 2, 3, 4. So the area of this figure is 4 square units. What is the area of this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 squares. So area of this figure is 13 square units. In the same way, area of this rectangle is, how many squares are there in this rectangle? 6. So area is 6 square units. Find the area of each of the following region. Here the shapes are quite different. How to find out the area if there are half squares or triangles? Just mark full squares. We have 2 full squares plus half, that is 1. Another half and half, that is 1. So total area of this figure is 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4 square units. Now let us find out the area of this figure. Just tick right in the squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 full squares plus consider 2 half squares, 2 triangles as a square. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. So that means 2 squares. 6 plus 2, 8. The area of this figure is 8 square units. Next, 1, 2, 3 squares and 2 triangles. So, the area of this figure will be 4 square units. Omit question 4. Now, question 5. Write the area in square units of the following figure. Same as this one. Tick mark squares. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Here only one triangle is there. So we will write 11 and half square units. Here half square is there. So we will write 11 and half square units. Now we'll go for this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, here full square is not there. It's more than full but not full. Here same as this one. And here the square is less than half. So we will consider this 2 as 1. This 2 cut square as 1 square. So 4 full plus 1 plus 1. Total 6 square units. So area of the following figure is 6 square units. In this way you can find out the area of these two figures. Now question 6. Write the number of squares enclosed by each figure and find its area. Take the area of each square as one semi-square. So this we will consider this square as square of one semi. Each side is having one semi. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then 2 half, that means 1. 16, 17 and 18. So area of this figure is 18 square semi. You can write like this, semi square, or you can write square semi. In this way find out the area of these three figures. Here two more figures are given. Let us try to find out the area of these figures. Just mark full squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Here we will consider this 3 as 1. So 27. Then here we will consider these 2 as 1 and this 2 as 1. 28, 29. Then this is less than half, this 2. So we will consider this 3 as 1 and this 3 cut shapes as 1. So total is 31. Total full squares are 26. Then half squares or cut squares, we have combined more than half squares and less than half squares. So 26 plus 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31. Total area of this figure is 31 semi-square or 31 square semi. In the same way you can find out the area of this figure. In question 7, you have very simple activity. Join the dots to make 2 triangles, 2 squares and 2 rectangles. Name them and color them. Here I have drawn the figures for your reference. You can draw in other way also. Make 2 triangles, 2 squares and 2 rectangles. And name them. You can give any name. A, B, C. Triangle A, B, C. Here we can give P, Q, R, S. Don't forget, whenever you are giving name, write the letters in sequence. P, Q, R, S. You cannot write P, Q, R here and S here. Go clockwise or anti-clockwise. Write the letters clockwise or anti-clockwise. In the same way, you can give the name to other figures. In this chapter, in this way, we have learned how to find out the area of the given figure by counting the squares given in the figure. After completing this chapter, completing this activity, after giving names to these figures, you can enjoy coloring them with your favorite colors.